Alright guys, today we are driving one of the rarest VTs I reckon that's out there. It might not look at initially from this dashboard as it looks like a VT Executive that's a 6-speed, but it is very rare. This car is a factory manual 6-speed, obviously, LS1 in an Executive. Very, very cool car, guys. I mean, and not only that, but it's in a fantastic color called Capricorn Green, and it's super cool. I will later on show you the outside of the car. The other thing that makes this VT very special is it is completely unmodified, and for one of these to go nearly 25 years with having no modifications, I mean, this still has a standard exhaust, everything, is very cool and very, very, very rare. That does not happen at all, and it's probably one of the first manual cars, manual LS1s that I've ever driven that is more like a cruiser almost than a car that wants to have fun, and that's not an insult to the car. I mean, that's what makes this particular model, or this particular example, extremely special. And not only is it just any Executive, it's a real base model. So we've got black mirrors and we've got windy windows. So we have our little cup holder there. It's really, I mean, I've never seen another one like it. This is still standard height, and it's very cool. It's right up my alley, if I'm honest. And you know, I've done some videos about these for sale on Marketplace and stuff, and they do actually pull quite a fair dollar. And I think that is because, well, I think they're really desirable, even probably more than an SS, because, you know, there's a million SSs out there, and it would be great to have a nice SS, but having that gear in an Executive is really cool. And I mean, if you guys have seen some of my cars that I own, they're a little bit older than this, but they're sort of along the same lines. The base model, my red VN, that's a 5-litre 5-speed, and this is a 5.7-litre 6-speed. So I really like it. I really like it. Where do you guys see the outside? I mean, this car is it's a fantastic example. We've got 134,000 Ks. I mean, on a VT alone, that's very low. The steering wheel is perfect. It's got all the grain in it. It's got no twist. It's so cool. Once we stop as well, I will show you, it does have its own unique interior. I've never seen it before. It's sort of like it's the same fabric that's in a lot of VT Executives, but it's sort of got this green undertone. That's really cool. We do have electric mirrors, which is pretty cool. I think they all have that, but I will give it one quick squirt, but you know, I'm not going to be going crazy in it. Yeah, see, even myself, I actually had planned to drive it hard there, but I just couldn't bring myself to do it because this car just doesn't deserve that. It's a really fantastic example, and if I'm honest, I don't think the car wants to do it. It wants to be babied and cruised along, and there's absolutely nothing wrong with that. And again, it's probably the first 6-speed that I've ever driven that's like that. I actually haven't driven that many of these standard, if I'm completely honest, but they drive great. They're nice and tight. The steering is great. They ride really nicely, and it's a very usable daily driver, which I didn't think that I would find that being a manual LS, but it is. And as well, the owner did tell me, you know, when this is 6th gear on the highway, we're sitting at 1450. Because of that, you know, if you're driving it nicely, these cars are so capable that the engine is barely doing anything at 100 k's an hour. So they're really good on the highway. Around town, maybe not so much, but on the highway, really, really good. Anyway, guys, I'll pull over in a second and I'll show you the outside. But one of the best, probably one of my personal favorite cars that I've had on the channel. It's great color, just everything about it is really up my alley. And here is another quick look now that we've parked up. 134,000 Ks, our 6-speed manual. Guys, this car is in fantastic condition. It really is spotless. There's a better look at that interior. And if we have a quick look outside here, look at the color of this thing. I don't know if I've ever seen one in as, oh, there you go. You really see the green just there. It's fantastic. The headlights are perfect, bonnet protector. I mean, it's pretty much spotless, guys. There's those black mirrors that I talked about, a Gen 3 V8 badge. But yeah, very, very rare to see an executive like this, and especially one in such good condition. There's that tiny little exhaust, which is really, really cool. And if we have a quick look under the bonnet here, this is no normal VT Executive. This is the LS1. And again, it is very rare to see one completely stock, you know, no OTR, nothing. We still have the turtle shell, and being the 6-speed manual. A very, very, very rare car, a very rare beast. Around $43,000 back in 2000. Beautiful old car. But otherwise, guys, I really appreciate you guys for following along. And if you would like your car on the channel, then please feel free to get in touch, especially if it's something like this. I mean, this is so, so cool. Like I said, it's really, really up my alley. And if you would like your car on the channel, feel free to get in touch. Otherwise, thank you for liking, following along, subscribing. And this is a really, really cool car. And I would love to own something like this.